Well, I've been working with Nike for so many years, and Cole Haan has been a partner with Nike for, God, as many years as I can remember. So, it was a wonderful fit because, my job and, as a role model and as a global ambassador, I'm trying to bring sport into fashion and make it really fashionable. My collection that's actually coming out in the fall. I mean, this is a project that I've been dreaming about. I love design, and designing a line of handbags and shoes has been a dream of mine ever since I was young, and it really represents my everyday life. It can be on the plane. It can be coming off a press conference, and I need to have accessories that really match my lifestyle. So all the whole spring and fall line will be about that. My fashion must-have right now is a bag that I've been carrying. It's actually the Cole Haan Phoebe, and it just goes from morning to evening, and I carry a lot of things, and it's a lot of space. I've been a fan for many, many years. I've had a personal relationship with them for about 4 or 5 years, and they actually gave me great shopping sprees at the stores. It was very exciting. But I love the fact that, they really bring fashion into great, sport-inspired wear. And when I don't know, wherever I am, taking long walks, or whenever I'm traveling, it's really great to be comfortable, and they use a lot of Nike Air technology in all their shoes. So if I'm at a red carpet event and I have to be there for hours, I'm comfortable and no blisters, and that's just really important for me, and there's so many aspects of relationship that really work great. The Nike Air technology is actually in my tennis shoe, so it's basically a pad that's under your sole and under your heel as well, and no matter how high the shoe is, you're basically supported. I mean, all your weight is going onto Nike Air, which is a very soft surface, so you can be walking for hours around wherever, the mall, or going to a party and an event, and your feet feel like new, which is a great feeling, because I've had terrible experiences with shoes where I have to, sometimes especially in the office, you're wearing those high heels forever, and even in flats, it's just that comfort level that you have. I can be on a plane, I can be in a meeting, and and every single day I represent even though it's a different life and I'm an athlete, I represent someone that also has an office job, because they're always running around, they're always traveling and doing things. So I think it's very important to have that comfort and great wear and fashionable wear, that women love. And as the years go on and the trends keep changing, it's very important to be comfortable. Ever since I've been young, I love to see how things are made, and the process of making things and making sure the product is done right is very important for me, because there's nothing like a product that you're only going to wear once or twice, and it's going to fall apart the next few days. So that aspect of fashion is very important to me, and to see factories, people working in and out every single day in Italy and France and in China and everywhere is an incredible process, and I think some people overlook it, overlook that whole interesting, part of fashion. I think you can be elegant and casual at the same time. Even if you're wearing jeans and you have a wonderful scarf, or you have a great pair of shoes, you're very elegant. But just because you're wearing jeans, you're probably casual. So you can really mix it up.